Welcome back to JavaSpace. In this video, we are going to talk about a test property source. So there are situations where you will need to load your test class with some custom properties. And these properties, you can specify a property file, and then that property file will obviously contain some properties, custom properties. Or you can manually specify your properties as an argument to the add property source. So as you can see in the first example, I am passing the property file to the add property source annotation. And then in the second example, I'm actually manually specifying the properties. So these properties can then be part of your application context. You can actually inject them here and use them in your test. So this test property source has a number of attributes, which includes locations, properties. So instead of just saying a test properties, instead of specifying this like this, you could also use an attribute called location. As we see here, we use attribute called properties. So we can use locations here and then equate that to this value here, and then Spring will load these properties for you. But because at locations is an alias to, because this locations attribute is an alias to the value attribute of this annotation, you are still allowed to do this. By alias, let me show you what I mean. So if you see at location, if you see this locations property is an alias for value. Okay, let's go to value. We see value is also an alias for location. So which means these two properties, you can actually use them interchangeably to achieve the same thing. So thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video, and also please don't forget to subscribe, because as you subscribe, you motivate me to continue doing what I'm doing. See you in the next video lecture.